Okay, yo, so I ordered something a while ago, and I didn't think it was gonna arrive today just because we're having like a snow day, but it arrived. Check it out. Okay, so here it is. It's on the counter. I started poking at it with the unboxing knife. It's kind of hard just because like I'm doing it with one hand. And I'm looking at it through the camera. But here it is. All right, let's all right, could you see it? Dude, they are Crocs. They are Crocs. They are Crocs. How do you, okay, it comes like in this little baggy thing. There you go. There it is. There it is. There it is, brother. Mate. Why is it so, why is this so difficult to remove? Bro, I gotta stop looking at this through the camera. Look at that. Oof. Oof. Look at that. Look at that. Oof. Oof. This looks so nice. All right. Let's try them out. Okay, I gotta stop looking at it through the camera. Okay, it's kind of snug. It's my first time wearing sandals. Little slides. Okay, yo. All right, this one's kind of like really tight, but like, I'm sure it'll like soften up. It fits pretty well. I mean, yo. All right, hold up. Let me get a gibbet for it. I went to go get the gibbets from my Drew Crocs, right? But these holes seem a lot smaller than the plugs for these, so that's a bust. All right, regardless, I love them. I love them. They're nice. I love them.